I'm a Muslim, and so are you. For anyone to think that any Muslim suffering across the globe will not hurt me, they are wrong. It hurts me, it hurts you, no matter where they are. Be they in Afghanistan or wherever, in Libya or Syria or wherever it may be, in Sudan, wherever. It hurts us. We are one. We are an ummah. We stand together. We are part of one body. And I promise you, we will pray for them because we are helpless. Today, they have turned off water, food, electricity, and any means of survival, which is a war crime. Not just by international law, by Jewish law, by the Torah and the Talmud. It is unacceptable. If they were true Jews, they would never ever do that, because the Torah, the Talmud, Prophet Moses, may peace be upon him, would never ever have done that. He didn't teach it. We love him, we follow him. Prophet Moses in our scriptures taught us to save the lives of one another. Never did he teach us to block water from another, to block electricity, to block this and block that. All of that has nothing to do with Judaism, my brothers, my sisters. It is not a Jewish teaching, never ever. Judaism is free from blocking and stopping people from their basic human rights. Totally free from that. And the rabbis and the true rabbis know exactly what I'm talking about.